In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change address on Shopify. Easy tutorial. First, sign in to your Shopify admin and land on your dashboard. We'll do everything from inside your admin, so make sure you're logged in with the right store. From the dashboard, look toward the lower left and click Settings. This takes you to the main settings area where Shopify keeps all the foundational details for your store. Inside Settings, open the General or Store Details page, depending on what your admin calls it. You're looking for the Store Address section. This is the official business address Shopify uses for invoices, tax calculations in some regions, and default contact information. Click into the address area to start editing. Begin by selecting the correct country or region. Open the drop-down and choose the country that applies to your business. In this example, I'm choosing Afghanistan, but you should pick your own country. After you change the country, give the page a moment. Shopify may update the available fields, like state or province, based on that selection. Now fill in your street address. Enter the primary address on the first line, and if you have a suite, unit, or apartment number, use the second line so carriers can read it cleanly. Next, add your city and postal or zip code. Keep the formatting accurate. Small typos here can affect shipping rates and tax rules. If you see a region, state, or province field, click the Select a Region drop-down and pick the correct option for your area. If your country doesn't use regions, you might not see this field, and that's okay. Double-check each field before saving. Make sure the country, region, city, and postal code all match what local carriers and tax authorities expect. Consistency helps prevent checkout errors and misrouted packages. If you're moving your business or updating legal info, ensure this address matches what's on your invoices and any official documents. When everything looks good, click Save. Wait for the confirmation that your changes were saved successfully. If you don't see a confirmation, refresh and verify the new address appears correctly. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If your business operates from multiple locations, you may also need to review your location's settings so your fulfillment addresses are up to date. Shipping rates can depend on your origin address, so after changing the store address, it's a good idea to run a quick test at checkout. Finally, if taxes in your region depend on your business location, confirm your tax settings still reflect your new details. That's it.